Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your ClickUp account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Gmail to your ClickUp account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Gmail to your workspace in ClickUp anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that if you can be a little bit more efficient, it can help you tackle those tasks a little bit quicker. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ClickUp account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ClickUp account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and link your Gmail to a workspace in your ClickUp, first you're going to click on this little arrow up here on the top left. Once you do that, you're going to see all the different workspaces you have inside ClickUp. You can see I have these two. So you want to make sure that you have chosen the correct workspace. We're going to work in this one. Once you've chosen the workspace, you're going to see these four options below, and you want to click on settings. Okay, so once you click on settings, you're going to see another drop-down menu, and you want to look for this line right here that says email integration. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this little button. If you want to be able to send and receive emails with your Gmail in ClickUp, make sure that it's purple like mine is. If it's not, you're not going to be able to send or receive emails inside of your ClickUp. So I'm going to turn that on. Next, you want to go ahead and scroll down, and you want to click on this button here, sign in with Google. Okay, next you want to go ahead and choose your Gmail that you would like to connect to your workspace in ClickUp. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. Okay, next Google lets you know that ClickUp will receive this information right here from your Gmail. If you're okay with that, click on continue. Okay, next ClickUp is asking for this access. So go ahead and click this box, select all. Okay, next I'm going to click on continue. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that my Gmail is connected to my ClickUp workspace, so I can go ahead and send and receive emails in my ClickUp account. Down here, you can go ahead and choose who can use this particular email in your ClickUp account. So for me, I'm just going to leave it here, but if you need your admins or members and admin, you can go ahead and add them there. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Gmail to your ClickUp workspace, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.